Hey, good morning, guys. Well, I guess it's not morning, but it is for me. I thought I would share with you. I get asked a lot about meal prep, and I gotta be honest, I don't actually like meal prepping. It's something that frustrates me, and it takes too much time, and I never know what I want to eat that night until that day comes. And so whenever I try to meal prep, I find that all these meals go wasted because I end up not eating them because it's not what I wanted to eat that night. I know it's silly, but that's just the way that I am. So what I decided to tell you is my one and only meal prep trick that I do, which is when I am cooking up a big meal for the family, I will do extra of cutting up of vegetables. Typically, it's like broccoli, zucchini, red peppers, sometimes asparagus, sometimes carrots, something like that. And I'll just cut tons and tons and tons of them. And then I end up sauteing them, usually in coconut oil. And then we will eat some of them for dinner. But there will be tons of leftovers. And so I have sauteed in coconut oil vegetables that are ready to be used with anything. So then, like the next day for dinner, I'll reheat some of them just by putting them back in the pan and warming them up again. And I'll put soy sauce on them and maybe add some chicken for the boys and some brown rice on the side. So it becomes an Asian theme. Or I will take those vegetables and I will cook up some pasta, or some kind of, like a pasta, and add some sauce to it. And then all of a sudden, I've got like an Italian meal. Or sometimes I will cook them up, reheat them, and I'll put like a little fajita seasoning in them, or put some salsa on top of them, and make a Mexican meal. But I have these vegetables all ready to go, and it's super easy to do. This morning I did it. I know it's super yummy, Trisha. So this morning I did it, and it took me literally 5 minutes to make this scramble. So I put in some vegetables that I had left over. I actually used the rest of mine up this morning, and I added some eggs and scrambled it up. And I actually put some fresh spinach in there as well, just to add to it. I don't like to do that when I make them in advance, but I'll add it in when I am making it fresh that day. So I added that in, and it took me literally 5 minutes from when I pulled stuff out of the fridge before everything was in my bowl. I ended up topping it with salsa and avocado. And that's it. And now I'm good to go. And I've got an egg scramble in less than 5 minutes. So I definitely don't like to meal prep, but this is the one thing of meal prep that I do all the time. If you are wanting more ideas to make things easy for you in your life, you should talk to me, because I have some more ideas, even if I don't tend to do them all that often. I hope you guys have a wonderful day.